I love beauty blender. I love blush too. I love brush. No. Alright, I'm gonna try both of them and see what's the difference. I'll be doing one side of my face using this brush and one side using beauty blender. I have already hydrated my face using collagen booster Indeed serum. I think I jinxed my skin as well because I said, oh, it's been a long time since I had my acne, and then I had like 3 acne. 1, 2, 3, more than 3 I guess. You have to be gentle on your face. And I'll be doing just one coat to see so the difference is really visible. Alright, this side is done. This is done using brush. Beauty blender. With beauty blender you need to put it in water and then you can squeeze the water out. Squeeze nicely. And then I usually take this side a bit, the wider side, because face is quite wide. I use the other side for eyes. I'm gonna start really slow, dab, dab, dab. You have to just gently dab, dab, dab. So this side is done with the beauty blender, this side is done with the brush. The blush looks more flawless and the beauty blender looks very sheer. This brush gives you really airbrush finish, whereas a beauty blender gives you natural flawless look. Both give you flawless look, but with brush you have to keep in mind when you're blending, you have to blend really well, because it can leave brush marks which will look unnatural, whereas with beauty blender the product seeps really well into your skin and it gives you flawless natural look, but the look is really sheer. And I have a lot of time to make myself get ready, then I would definitely go with a beauty blender. But when I'm in a hurry but I still want a flawless look, then I'll go with the brush. And the right technique to hold the brush is not from here, it's from here. With application you can always hold it from here, but with blending you have to hold it from the back, and you just go round and round and stipple it really well. And with beauty blender you just go dab, 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 really small sections and dab it really well. I hope you liked my video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any updates. I would like to know, which one do you like? Do you like a brush or do you like a beauty blender, and why do you like that? I'll be really interested to hear from you. Bye bye for now.